Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome to Computers World. So friends, today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions on current affairs. Okay, so as all of you know, OS and High Court ASO exam is going to be conducted very soon. So for that purpose, current affair is also going to play a crucial role. Okay, so here what we will do, this is basically a revision session, and what you have to do, you have to assess yourself. You have to match your answer with my answer, and finally you have to assess yourself. Okay, so let's start today's session. So first question is in front of you. Okay, so the question is Sehat Health Insurance Scheme has been launched in which state? So let's look at the options. First option is Uttarakhand, second option Jammu Kashmir, third option Delhi, and fourth option that is Uttar Pradesh. So what will be the right answer here? So the right answer to kaun habo? Please give the right answer. Okay, so here the right answer will be that is Jammu and Kashmir. Option 2 is the right answer. So what is Sehat Health Insurance Scheme? This scheme was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, 26 December launch ହେଇଥିଲା, and it covered near about 1 crore population. Okay, and what that is not covered under the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Okay, move on to the next question, that is question number 2. The question is, who has won BBC Sports Personality of the Year 2020? BBC Sports Personality 2020 award kiye paichanti? So friends, these are the questions which I have been chosen, the most important questions here. Okay, we will continue this session. So the first question option is in front of you, that is Lewis Hamilton. Option 2, that is Lionel Messi. Option 3, Cristiano Ronaldo, and option 4, that is PV Sindhu. So what will be the right answer? You are given 10 seconds only. So okay, so here the right answer will be that is Lewis Hamilton. Option 1 is the right answer. So Formula 1 world champion Lewis Hamilton has won the BBC Sports Personality of the Year 2020. Clear? This is the second time that the 35-year-old Hamilton has been crowned Sports Personality of the Year. Okay, so he has won this for the second time. Okay, and he was earlier awarded in the year 2014, that is BBC Sports Personality of the Year award. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. The question is in front of you. When is the National Mathematics Day observed every year? National Mathematics Day kebe observe kara jaye? Okay, so option 1, that is December 20, option 2 December 21, option 3 December 22, and option 4, that is December 23. So what will be the right answer here? You are given 10 seconds only. Okay, so 10 seconds diagala tumko. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer is, that is option 3, December 22nd. So National Mathematics Day is observed on December 22nd every year. Okay, so India observes National Mathematics Day every year on 22nd December. Okay, so from when it has been observed, so since that is 2012. Okay, 2012 ମସିହାରୁ ଏଟା observe ହେଇକି ଆସୁଛି. So this day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of mathematician. He is Srinivas Ramanujan. Okay, से किए ना श्रीनिवास रामानुजनकर birth anniversary को हमें observe करते हो. Clear? Next, this year nation celebrates is 133rd birth anniversary of Ramanujan. So ए वर्ष कौन है ना रामानुजनकर 133rd birth anniversary को celebrate करा गया. Clear? Next, this day was announced on 26th February 2012 by the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. So a National Mathematics Day को किया announce करते हैं ना मनमोहन सिंह announce करते हैं to mark the 125th anniversary of the birth anniversary of Indian mathematical genius Srinivas Ramanujan. So when this day was announced, that was the 125th anniversary of Ramanujan. Okay, so for that reason 2012 was also observed as National Mathematics Year. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. Which bank has launched an online platform Infinite India? So क्यों बैंक Infinite India नामक गोटे online platform launch करिछि? So option A is that SDFC, option 2 Axis Bank. Option 3, that is ICICI Bank. Option 4, that is SBI. So what will be the right answer according to you? So you are given 10 seconds. Okay. So let's look at the answer. So here the answer is, that is option 3, that is ICICI Bank is the right answer. Clear? So ICICI Bank has launched an online platform, that is Infinite India. So what is the main purpose of the mission? So Infinite India जो launch कर चाहिए तार कौन अच्छी ना, to support the foreign companies to establish or expand business in India. Okay, so this is basically done to increase the interest of the foreign business holders. Okay. Next, though this initiative, ICICI Bank aims to strengthen its position in the multinational corporate segment. So ICICI Bank also wants to strengthen its position in the multinational corporation segment. This initiative is a part of our strategy to further strengthen our technology-enabled offerings aimed to partner with foreign companies coming to India. ICICI Bank headquarter कोठी ना मुंबई रे महाराष्ट्र. MD and CEO बर्तन अच्छे संदीप बक्सी. Okay. टैगलाइन कौन थे अच्छी ICICI बैंक रा, यू नो इट, हम है ना ख्याल आपका. क्लियर? लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हेन इज द नेशनल फार्मर्स डे ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर? सो नेशनल फार्मर्स डे केबे ऑब्जर्व करा जाए? ऑप्शन 1, दैट इज डिसेंबर 22, ऑप्शन 2 डिसेंबर 23, ऑप्शन 3 डिसेंबर 24 एंड ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑप्शन 4, that is December 22nd. So here the answer is, that is option 2, December 23rd is the right answer. So National Farmers Day, that is called Kisan Divas, is observed on 23rd December in India. So why this is observed? This is basically observed to remember the role of Indian farmers in the economy. So as all of you know, farmers plays a crucial role for the development of our economy. So to remember our farmers, we celebrate National Farmers Day every year on December 23rd. Here, so this day is observed to mark the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister. He is Mr. Chaudhary Charan Singh. Okay, Chaudhary Charan Singh का birth anniversary को हमें Farmers Day बोले observe करते हैं. He brought the farmers friendly policies and worked towards the welfare of the farmers. He has done many significant works for the development of the farmers. Clear? Next, he was the 5th Prime Minister of India and served the country as the Prime Minister from that is 28 July 1979 to 4th January 1980. Clear? Okay. Move to the next question, that is question number 6. Who is the author of the book, that is Amazing Ayodhya? Amazing Ayodhya राइटर की? ऑप्शन ए नीना राय, ऑप्शन बी मंगला महांती, ऑप्शन सी संदीप शुक्ला एंड ऑप्शन 4, दैट इज अमित गुप्ता. So what will be the right answer here? So here just you write the right answer. So here the right answer is, that is option 1, Nina Rai. Okay, so the book titled Amazing Ayodhya, this has been authored by Nina Rai. Okay, so this book offers authentication information about the city, which will not only help to understand the life and times of ancient Hindus, but also the revered figure of Rama and Sita. This book is published by the, just remember, House Bloomsbury. The author compares Ayodhya with the culture of other ancient civilizations so that the reader feels connected to the past and the content of the book appears contemporary. Clear? Next, that is question number 7. Who is the author of the book O Mizoram? O Mizoram book ro author kiye? Clear? Option A Sri P.S. Sridharan Pillai, option 2 Amish Tripathi, option 3 Venkaiah Naidu, and option 4, that is Devendra Fadnavis. Okay, so wrongly I am saying option A, B, C, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am habituated with the options A, B, C, so for that reason The options coming like this. So here the answer should be, okay, just tell the answer. So here the answer will be, that is option A, Siddharth Pillai. Pillai will be the right answer. So Siddharth Pillai is the author of the book O Mizoram, but this book has been released by our Vice President. He is Venkaiah Naidu. Okay, this book has been released by Venkaiah Naidu. That is, book name is O Mizoram. So who is Siddharth Pillai? He is the governor of Mizoram, Siddharth Pillai. Pillai is a lawyer. Okay, he is a versatile personality. He is also a lawyer, an orator, a prolific writer, and a philanthropist. Okay, so he is a lover of mankind. He has written 125 books in Malayalam and English. Okay, so Katra boy lekhi near about 125 books has been written by P.S. Siddharth Pillai. Okay, so O Mizoram is the first poetry collection in English. Clear? Next, that is question number 8. What is the rank of India in the Global Terrorism Index? This is a very important question. Okay, so this is also very important question. Rank of India in the Global Terrorism Index 2020. Kete rank rache India? Option A 3, option 2, option 1 3, option 2 5, option 3 6, and option 4, that is 8. So what will the right answer here? So here the right answer will be, that is option 4 8. Okay, Global Terrorism Index re India 8 number achi. Just remember. So in the Global Terrorism Index, India has been ranked at 8th spot global in the list of countries most affected by terrorism in 2019. The Global Terrorism Index score of India is 7.353 out of 10. India recorded 277 deaths, 439 injuries, and 558 incidents due to terrorism in 9. So India is in a very dangerous position. Okay, with respect to, that is, Global Terrorism Index. So regionally, South Asia was the most impacted region by terrorism in 2019, recording more deaths than any other countries. Also, globally, the deaths caused due to terrorism fell by 15% to 13,286 in 2019 over 2018. Okay, so 15% decrease karchi globally. Next, question number 9. Which of the following state government has launched Parishram Portal? Okay, Parishram Portal kiye launch karchi? Ko state launch karchi? Option 1 Odisha, option 2 Jharkhand, option 3 Madhya Pradesh, and option 4, that is Maharashtra. So what is the right answer here? Okay, you just tell the answer. So here the answer will be, that is option A, Odisha. Odisha is the right answer. Clear? So Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik, through a video conference, launched Parishram Portal. Okay, Parishram Portal is a very important question. Parishram Portal ko state launch kartilo with 22 online services of Labour and Employee State Insurance Department. The portal and online service shall be helpful in ease of doing business. Clear? And contribute significantly to the industrial development of the state. The portal will provide 52 types of services in the coming days. The technology is the foundation of 5T initiative, and this will help in transformation. Hope that information regarding different labor laws will be available and industries. Okay, so in the comment section write down the full form of 5T. So 5T ro under kon asu, just write down this. Next. So today's last question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of State Bank of India? So option 1, that is Rakesh Asthana, option B Dinesh Yadav, option 3 Sumeet Srivastava, and option 4, that is Dinesh Kumar Khara. So what is the right answer here? It's a very important question, and there is chances are there that this type of questions will come in the examination. So here the answer will be, that is option 4, Rakesh Asthana. Okay, Rakesh Asthana is the right answer. So the government of India has appointed Dinesh Kumar Khara Dinesh Kumar Khara is the right answer. So Government of India has appointed Dinesh Kumar Khara as the new chairman of the State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India new chairman appointed Dinesh Kumar Khara. Clear? So Khara holds the Masters in Business Administration from FMS New Delhi and a postgraduate in Commerce. Dinesh Kumar Khara. पूर्व किए थे एसबीआई चेयरमैन राजनीश कुमार थे बट नाउ दिनेश कुमार खारा. He is also a certified associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. Okay, CAIIB. Prior to being appointed as SBI MD, Khara was the MD and CEO of SBI Funds Management Pvt Limited. Okay, when was SBI founded? SBI was founded in the 1st of July 1955. SBI headquarter कोठी ना मुंबई रे. Clear? So friends, this was all about today's session. So if you like this, then please subscribe this channel. If you are new to this channel, like it, share it, and press the bell icon so that I will be encouraged to make more videos. Thank you so much. And one thing will be different marks every day. Okay, just stay tuned. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.